to Star Wars.
Welcome to
Star.
Yay! Ang gulo nyo. Oh. We're here na.
I will lift you, okay? Are we there yet? Not yet. About 10 minutes?
Guys, put your hands away though.
Don't touch the window, okay? Stay there.
Where's Salvatore? Tay. Salvatore. Where is Salvatore?
Be careful. Say hi, Kuya.
Love. Later you say thank you to Captain, okay?
Say thank you to the Captain.
Thank you, Captain.
Say thank you, Captain. Thank you, Captain. Yeah. The Captain will hear you.
Oh, is it raining now? Ala, biglang umulan? It's just rain?
It's raining.
Kaya? Biglang umulan, okay na kanina eh. Ne, message mo sa Zeus, ah. Pababa na tayo pa. Ag-iintayan dyan. Kami natulog dyan. Kulit eh. Oh, excited, no? Hey guys, are you excited to the island? Huh? Yeah. You're bluffing. Jahat. Tatay. Hey, are you excited to see your friends?
Yeah.
Gwen was there. Oh, I have a toys. Do you know my toys? Wait till you see Mommy's toys. Especially Gina.
Okay, I will try.
Ne, and Jessie. And Blessy is a surprise.
Without anything. Without anything. I don't want to wear anything.
Yeah, anything. Hey, Nina, are you excited? Yeah. Aji?
We're almost there.
Are you excited? Milo, gising na. Bait ah. Ay, ala. Ha? Oh, baka maano. Baka may maano. Oh. Na ano na konti. Ha? Medyo na ano tatay, nakadkad oh. Ano nila oh. Ayan. Ayan na mga kargador. then we'll go.
Let's go. Let's go down. Wala nang ulan.
Binlas lang tayo ng ulan.
We need to wait.
Binlas lang tayo. Welcome to the island, sabi.
So tomorrow it won't rain anymore.
Asan si Captain?
So that tomorrow will not rain again. So you pray tonight, okay? Tell God.
Wait, miss.
Okay?
Mira, we gotta pick.
You have to pray later, ha? Tell God that it's not
Hey, we're here. We're here.
We're here.
Go. Go down.
No, not yet. We have to wait for other people to go out.
Tayo.
We here.
Oy, kayo yung cellphone to. Galing. Iwan niyo pa. Yeah. Bye, kuyas. Bye. Follow us, kuya. We're Family TV. Have you seen Salvatore? Oh, wala pa. You go down, Tay. Get him. Ay, Tanya, go now. Go. Salamat. Ang batang ni talaga. Asa na? Nahanap ko pa yung bata. Ito po ang Star Horse. Ayan. 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 Nandito ako sa Star Horse. Ayan. O, wala nang tao. Ako na lang natira. Sayang. Ito pala ang mga tao dito sa Star Horse. Ayan. Dilim na guys, oh. Ouch. Wala. Natulog kasi ako eh. Wala. Hi, kuya. May nakita ba kayong batang lalaki? Oo. Nakuha na? Naku, talagang bata yun. Si Salvatore. Oh. Pasaway yan, oh. Si ano? Salvatore?
Andito.
Andun pa ako sa taas. Hanap ako ng hanap. Tatay, you know, I'm looking for him. Where is it? Umakyat ako. Sigurado ko hindi siya maiwan. Where is he? Sabi nga ng lalaki siya daw na unang bumaba eh.
Yes, I know.
Gigil ako eh.
Where do you?
I know, nakita ko na.
Tama na lang po tayo dadaan.
Uli.